I welcome you all. This is Jagadeesan, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering in R.M.D.E. Engineering College. In this video, we learn about Lambda expression. Let's revisit the multi-threaded programming. What is a thread creation method? We have two ways to create a thread: by extending thread class, by implementing runnable interface. How to implementing runnable interface? So without lambda expression, with the lambda expression, in that implementing the program for lambda expression, the class thread in EMPL is a class name, implements a runnable interface, public void run, in system.out.println thread is running. Is implementing is a runnable. It's a running run method. We have to running a thread. For the object creation, class thread example, public static void main, string args, thread impl, r1 equal to object, r1 is a object equal to new thread impl, thread t1 equal to new thread. The passing object r1 equal to thread class t1 dot start. With lambda expression, we have to create a class thread example public static void main string args. In runnable, R1 is a lambda expression is symbol equal to parenthesis open and close and the arrow is a symbol and calibrate should be open. Is a blocked lambda. In system.out.println thread is running. It's a block lambda expression. In thread T1 equal to new thread R1, the T1 dot start. It's a lambda expression. The advantage of lambda exception is reduced code size. So lambda expression, in lambda expression, what is lambda expression first? Lambda expression are similar to the method as a short block of code is takes in parameter and return the value. There are anonymous or unnamed method that does not execute on their own. It is used to implement a method defined by the functional interface. An interface which has only abstract method is called functional interface. Please note that in Java, lambda expression is treated as a function, so compiler does not create a dot class file. It's a dot, does not create a file. Okay. Then lambda expression is a syntax of the lambda expression. The parenthesis open and close. With that, we have to argument to be passed and the arrow symbol and calibration should be open and close. In that, body content should be there. The lambda expression is consist of three components. The argument list is a empty or non-empty, as well as the arrow token. It is used to link the argument list and the body of the expression, and body it contains the expression and statement. For lambda expression is a single without argument, is a single parameter and multiple parameters. The syntax is given here. No parameter syntax is parenthesis open and close, arrow symbol and calibration open and close, and single parameter syntax we are passing the only one parameter p1. Multiple parameter syntax we are passing two parameter p1 and p2. The parameter type can be implemented, it can be specified explicitly. In lambda expression, in functional interfaces, we mean very, very important. Yeah, functional interface is an interface that specifies only one abstract method. One abstract method is contained the interface. That is called functional interface. Interface my number is a double get value. The method get value is implicitly abstract and it is the only method defined by the my number. This my number is a functional interface. It's a functional is defined by the get value. The lambda expression is not execute its own. Is form the implementation of abstract method is defined by the functional interface that specify its target type. When a lambda expression occurs in the target type context, the instance of the class is automatically created that implement the functional interface. When the lambda expression defining the behavior of the abstract method declared by the functional interface, when the method is called through the target, the lambda expression is executed. In order of the lambda expression to be used in target type context, the type of abstract method and the type of lambda expression must be compatible. The example of the lambda expression input java.util data in the interface my number is a functional interface double get value public class lb1 the public static void main calibration should be open. My number is my num is the object of the interface. My num we are equal to parenthesis open and close. The arrow symbol is there in 1, 2, 3 in 4 point. Defaultly we see fixing the point. The value can be passed to the function interface. The system dot out dot println the fixed value my num dot get value. In another object my num equal to parenthesis open and close arrow of text math dot random method is a asterisk 100 we multiply with some random value, we multiply with under system dot dot system random value, my num dot get value, then system dot out dot println another random value, my num dot get value. This is the output. The fixed value, first value we are giving 123.45. The random value is 78.402007432171. The another random value is 15.76123901. The another example is given. The functional interface, the without functional interface, we cannot create the lambda expression. So that we have to create a functional interface. Interface addable int add int a comma int b. Then public class lambda expression example 5. The public static void mentioning args. The addable is a interface name. Add one is a object name. We are passing here to equal to. We are passing two parameter a comma b. Then arrow or a plus b. We adding the two values. System dot println a ad1 dot add 10 comma 20 the both value can be added. The another example the addable ad2 equal to int a comma int b arrow a plus b the system dot println ad2 dot add 100 comma 200 we are adding 100 value and 200 value the output is 30 and 300. Thank you.